How to turn off PS5. I'll show you how to do this from the home screen as well as if you're in a game. So first of all, if you're playing a game like I am right now, all you'll need to do is get your PS5 controller and press the PlayStation logo. There should be in the middle bottom part of your controller. That'll bring up this kind of screen here. Or if you are on the PlayStation 5 home screen as such, you just need to again just press that button there. Then along the bottom you want to click down the D-pad where it says home, and then it's like a toolbar at the bottom. Unfortunately you can't see it right here, but you want to scroll right to the end of it, and then it's a power off. Then you'll see there it will turn off PlayStation 5 or turn off PS5 there. Then you just want to press X on that. Then it should take just a few seconds to turn off, and then it should like do the little loading screen button until it's fully gone. And then once you see something that looks a bit like this, where it's having the loading signal, and then it will turn up with the PS5 screen that looks like this, that's when you know the PS5 is turned off. Leave a like on the video if it helped, and subscribe for more helpful videos.